Hey, creative friends! Welcome to Luna Vika Designs. I'm Ava. Thank you for spending your precious time to design hack with me. Today, I am turning a recycled button, a 8mm bead, and 20 gauge copper wire into this adorable twisted flower button ring. It's quick, beginner friendly, few simple tools here, and perfect if you love eco-friendly handmade jewelry with a little sparkle. All details are listed in the description below. Let's twist, loop, and bloom. If you love upcycled do-it-yourself jewelry, hit like, subscribe, and comment in the below. Tell me what button I should use next. I cut a piece of wire 20 gauge, about 30 inches long, and we leave one side about half inch longer than the other, and then make a 90-degree bend here, like this. And then grab my 8mm bead and thread into this longer end, and against this corner, the band we just made, tightly, and use our needle chain nose plier, and then make another bend like this, 90-degree. And then we just put this wire along with this, wrap along this bead, both ends. It's like you're making a setting. So when this bead, we put it into our button, and it will be nicely, perfectly, neatly sit on the button. So this is how it looks like. And now let's grab our button and pull through this hole, 2 holes, like this. So this step is just like you are combining an 8mm bead and the button you have to be one bead, and put it tight. See, now you can see our bead sit on the top of the button nicely and neatly. This is the previously we made the band and wrap around the bead like halfway, and that's the function. So we get this nicely nice result like this. And this is the back. So make this 2 wires and lay flat on this button like this, tight and lay flat. And I'm making size 6, and this time I'm not going to wrap on the ring shank like this one on either side. So normally if we make a size 6, we will need to go half size up. But since I am not going to wrap on either side of this ring shank, and I don't need to leave the half size larger, I'm making size 6, and I placed it on size 6 like this. Make sure put it tight, and I start wrapping around on my ring mandrel. And once and twice. So front and back like this. Make sure put it tight and nicely. And then I will start wrapping around underneath the button. Put it tight and wrap about 2 or 3 times. Second time, I'm not going to do third time. Okay. And now we can take it off from this ring mandrel. Before we do that, let's double check the size first. Here, size 6. Hope you can see between 5 and 7. And then we take it off from our ring mandrel. And this is how it looks like. Very nicely lay the wire lay on each other. And now we need to get this wire back on the top coming through the hole. So my left side of the wire, this one, and wrap halfway and go through the right side of the hole. It's hard to see properly for you guys here. Like this. This is my plier to help me. Okay, just pull through, pull through, pull through. And I use my hand to straighten the wire a little bit. And same, this is the right side of the wire, and then wrap halfway and go to the left and pull through the left side of the hole. Okay. Like this. See, just now, like I move this ring shank back a little bit so I can see the hole and pull through my wire. And then you can pull back this ring shank. This is the greatness about wire. It's very flexible. I just love working with the wires. This is one of the reasons. Okay. And straighten up. Use our nylon drop plier. Straighten up. And this is what we have. I want to pull back to my ring mandrel to make the ring shank nicer. And then make sure it's still on the right size 6 here. And after this check, and we can take it off. Get ready for the twisted wire. And next, I'm going to use the one side of my wire and wrap halfway around the bead. Either side is fine. I use my left side. And then just wrap around the bead halfway to meet the other wire. I go under the other wire. It doesn't matter which one, on the top or under. Just to make sure this wire cross over. And this is very critical to begin our twist. And make sure this angle and every twist will be staying the same. I would say about 120 degree. And I'm going to put my index finger on the top, grab both wire, my thumb on the bottom, and rotate 180 degree like this. So put my index finger on the top and thumb on the bottom. Grab both wire and rotate 180 degree until my thumb on the top and the index finger on the bottom. So make sure and the angle stays the same as the previous ones after every twist. This is the key to keep every twist even, like this. So like this, about 120 degree here angle, whatever angle you use, and you just make sure stays the same after your each twist. That's the key. Okay, like this. Your motion like this, 180 degree rotation, thumb on the bottom, and then rotate, and then thumb on the top, and the angle stays the same. You can also use like a pin vise or maybe even drill to twist this part. I'm just going to show you how we can manually twist our wire and still nice and neat. As I twist, I can also wrap around my bead like this. This way, I can know how long I need it to twist. So this is a pretty repeat motion. Keep doing this until the length you desire. This is a truly independent Handmade with Love channel. No team, no sponsors, no fancy promotions. Just me and my tools and a whole lot of heart. If you enjoy creating beautiful jewelry with me, hit subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Your support keeps this creativity going. I think I have a good length and a good wraps around this bead now. It's nice. So, and then I'm going to use one end of my wire, wrap beneath all the twisted wire one time. And then the other one also wrap one time beneath all this twisted wire like this to finish up. So as long as you find a way to hide your straight wire and then make it look neat and nice, and it will be fine. And now we cut it off the ends here and here. Okay, and we tuck in the ends with our needle trainer plier. Just a little bit here, a little loose, I think. Okay. And let's put it back on our ring mandrel. Still size 6 here. And I want to hammer a little bit, use my rubber hammer, nylon or rubber hammer to hammer a little bit on the ring shank. So make it nicer. Because when we wrap, it could be distorted. So we want to keep the form nicely. And let's take it off from the mandrel. Pretty, so pretty. We made it. Just like that, your twisted flower button ring, it's done. One recycled button, a bead, and a little copper wire magic prove that small things can bloom into something beautiful. If you enjoyed this do-it-yourself, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow maker. Until next time, keep creating, keep upcycling, and let your creativity bloom. Bye-bye.